Well, guys, I've got some good news today. Our 400th rhino was born today.
Wow.
Yay!
That's awesome.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
that's quite a big one for us.
Yeah,
That's a milestone.
congratulations.
What's the weight at birth? I got a granddaughter that was like 7 pounds.
Yeah, between 120 and say 160 pounds, I think.
Wow.
It's a big baby.
Yeah, that's a big baby.
Good for her. That's amazing. Or him.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
So now is the conservation begins. Taking care of, not taking care of just it, but all of them, including the mother, etc.
Well, yes, you know, so our success is in a way also our burden, you know. So the more the rhino becomes, the more you know, effort has to go into protecting them and caring for them, you know, and more cost, you know. So, you know, that's really the shift, where previously most rhino was in the hands of the state, you know, on state reserves. But now 70% of all rhino in South Africa is in the hands of private rhino owners. So the whole funding model has to change, because obviously the state parks got subsidies, you know, and had access to donor funding, while private reserves barely get any donor funding and no subsidies from the state, you know. So we have to make it sustainable, and in a way have to monetize the rhino or the wildlife to be able to care for them and protect them. So, you know, we have to look at new funding mechanisms and models. We can't be doing the same thing.